So guys, after all the Garba parties I went to, I fell sick for a week and this is the situation of my wardrobe right now. There are tags everywhere, there is literally layer of dust on my shoe rack, my jewelry drawer is a mess, nothing is on its place, and by my voice itself, and honestly speaking, I still haven't recovered yet, but I still had to manage this stuff. Diwali is coming over and it's all about fresh energy, new energy. So I thought, why not you and I together fix my wardrobe, and maybe you can fix yours as well. Maybe this video will give you some sort of motivation to clean your wardrobe, to organize it, to fix it. So yeah, having said that, we're gonna fix this wardrobe. We're gonna conquer this situation step by step. So first, whatever mess is front of my eyes, maybe it is my bag or my hair tools or my clothes or anything, I'm gonna put it down on the floor just to see where all it belongs. Now I'm gonna start with my bottom drawer. So this drawer has all of my bottoms, my skirt, my shorts, my jeans, my plazos, my leggings, each and every bottom piece that I own. And again, I'm gonna lie it flat on the floor just to organize it properly, stack it properly. Shorts gonna go with shorts, my ethnic wear gonna go with ethnic wear, my jeans gonna go with my jeans. And also I have a very different way of folding clothes. I try to manage the size so that they'll fit properly in the stack. The fold has to be of the same size, or else it doesn't look neat and the stack will keep falling out if it's outside your drawer. If it's inside the drawer, then it's perfect, but you might not be able to see it if you make the fold really small, and few of them are small, few of them are big. So you have to make sure that the fold size is same like I'm showing here in the video. Also, do let me know if you guys want to see a separate folding video. I would love to make them for you guys. I hope it'll be helpful. I have a very different way of folding everything, be it skirt, jeans, shorts, socks or hoodies or anything. So I would love to share my ideas with you. Now here what I'm gonna do is, I've seen my mom doing this my entire life, so I'm gonna take choline. You can use water as well if you want, and just wipe the drawers first and then start placing your clothes inside it. So in this way, you know it's clean, it's germs free, it's disinfectant, and now you can place it. This is my ethnic drawer, so I don't use it often, so it wasn't that of a mess. If you guys can see, it was already placed properly. I just had to reorganize it. So this is what I'm doing here, and honestly speaking, this is not all the clothes, guys. I have a different closet in the other room which has all my bigger pieces. So these are only the clothes which I use if I'm going out for temple or for some puja, or maybe to office. Office also is a great place to wear Indian outfits. So yeah, here is my ethnic drawer, all arranged and neat. So let's close this up and start with my top section. Let me take out all these wands and glasses first. So these are the tops. They are organized, they are in the stack, but they are all falling. Like I told you, if you don't manage to keep the fold size same, it'll keep falling. So this is what I was talking about. So yeah, again, I'm gonna follow the same steps. I'm gonna take out everything from my wardrobe and lie it flat on the floor to see how I want to fold it and how I want to stack it. I have a lot of tops, so yeah, I'm gonna fold crop top separately, shirts separately, and you know, like the same old method. And please, let's have a moment of silence for this dump. And this is the biggest dump, me. Giving up on life, worrying how am I gonna do this. It's a long and a tiring process, I know that, but I hope it'll be all fine. So let's just start folding. So I'm gonna fold everything again, depending on the size, how I wanna fold my long sleeves separately, how I wanna fold my crop top separately.
One eternity later.
And usually talking about the crop top, I just give it 2 folds, that's all. No matter if it's a full sleeve crop top or a sleeveless crop top or it's a tube top, just 2 folds, that's all. And step number 2 being the same, put a little bit of choline, spray it all over the place, wipe the surface and start placing your tops. And look how beautiful it looks. So I've kept my floral and all that florally top on one stack. These on top are the ones which I don't use often. And these are my crop tops, like I told you, like just 2 folds and looked so cute, so neat and stacked properly, to be honest. Moving on to the another drawer of mine. So it is divided into 2 parts. First side is my night suits and another side are my workout clothes. Again, I'm gonna lie everything flat on the floor so that I can see and I can arrange it properly. And another thing I wanted to share with you guys is folding is my meditative mode. I just love the way of folding and I just love the whole process that is involved. I know it's tiring, it's time consuming, and especially when you are taking the whole wardrobe down on your floor and you are folding it from the scratch. I know it's tiring, but I just love this whole process. It's so peaceful, it's so neat, it makes me focus on my other work. I don't know what is the situation, but yeah, I just love folding. So again, I'm gonna wipe it with choline and make it very neat and clean. And now I'm gonna stack all the clothes vertically. So this is what I didn't tell you guys earlier. I stack my clothes vertically if it's in the drawer so that I can see everything from the top. So moving on to my dress drawer. So these are all the dresses that I wore, guys. I'm a dress girl. I like wearing dresses. I have party dresses, I have casual dresses, I have office dresses as well. I have proper formal dress outfits as well. I just love wearing dresses. These are my go-to outfits. If I can't think of any appropriate outfit for an event, dresses are just my go-to thing. So that's so many. So that's my side of clarification, and again I'm arranging it all vertically and it just looks neat and perfect. Moving on to my makeup and skincare situation in my wardrobe. This time I'm not gonna explain you. It's the same process. I'm gonna take out everything, use choline to wipe the surface and then place everything back. So here what you can do is you can just take a look on the expiry date of the products, because definitely you don't want to have it in your wardrobe. And yeah, again, it'll be all neat. Whatever you need, it'll be front of your eyes. I swear, organized cupboard gives different kind of satisfaction altogether. I love these 3 little vintage boxes. I swear they are sold. I was in 8th standard, I guess, and I got it on my birthday. Moving on to my makeup drawer. I don't have a lot of makeup, and honestly, it's not that of a mess, I feel, but it needs a little bit of cleaning. Just, a little bit of choline and wiping the floor and setting all back again. It's all arranged, neat, clean and organized, and we are good to go. In the heart of rural India, a little girl named Usha dreams of going to school just like her brother. Her dreams are just as big and important as his. So why not her when it comes to getting a quality education? Your one purchase of Powerp from Zouk helps Usha get one step closer to her dreams and promise a better future for her. 100% of proceeds from Zouk's Powerp would be going towards girl-child education. It's time for you and I to join hands and promise a better future for Usha and many other girls like her. It's time for us to question, why not her? Moving on to the next drawer, and literally it's not interesting. It is just my hair tools and miscellaneous stuff, and I'm gonna repeat the same steps. I'm gonna wipe it first. Don't forget to wipe it. It's gonna disinfect the surface and you will see that it's very neat and it's very clean. Moving on to the footwear and my bag section, it is really very dirty. It has layers of dust on top of it, and these are also not all the bags and the shoes that I have. And here, when you're wiping the glass, right, choline works best. For wooden surfaces, maybe you can use dry cloth or little wet cloth, but for glasses, definitely use choline. It'll be so shiny, you can literally see your reflection on it. And here I'm just arranging everything back. I just tried to make it a little color coordinated, but it didn't work. I'm very bad at it, to be honest. But yeah, I made it all organized and good to go. So I have one other shelf for shoes and bags, so I'm cleaning it again and reorganizing it. And you definitely don't want to hear me right now, so enjoy the process. Few of my jackets and blazers were lying around, so I'm just organizing it accordingly. I'm gonna manage it according to the size. So the smallest one and the shorter ones and the half crop jacket would be at the front, and the bigger and the blazer and the like the huge blazers would be at the back. Hang on. I know you watched the messy situation, then you watched the whole process. Now you want to watch the after of the situation. I already have a video for you guys in my channel, my walk-in closet tour. I'm gonna pin it here. You can definitely go and check it out. It just didn't make sense of me recording the after of the whole thing because एक video already tha, and I thought I can make you guys watch that as well. Here is my trick to get more views on that video. So yeah, make sure to go and check it out, and I hope you like this video. Stick around for Diwali content. I'm planning a lot of videos over here. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye. Cheers.